see how much of this I can record. I have a 2006 Honda Civic Hybrid, 8th gen. I changed out a couple different things recently, the motor mount and the dog bone underneath it, and I have one to change out on the mount, I should say, to change out on the other side, the driver's side, which is the transmission mount. I haven't done that yet, but I have a rattle that only shows up when I slow accelerate or when I am just cruising along. So if I'm just cruising along, like not really going fast necessarily, especially like 30 to 40 miles per hour, it tends to be really loud. Like I don't know if you can hear that, but I can hear it. So right now I'm accelerating faster and it's not audible. But now it is, as I kind of let loosen up on the accelerator to a certain point, it tends to be loudest. So like if I push a little bit, it's louder. If I pull back, it kind of disappears. It's so strange. So I don't know how much that you can hear, but it's pretty loud to me. So no sound. Now there's sound. So I don't know what it is. It's driving me crazy because I don't want it to be like something that's really expensive, because I don't have a lot of money right now. So if you got ideas, leave them in the comments. Thanks.